Greetings one and all. Welcome to my kitchen here today, where I am going to be making a simple lunch for myself. I'm going to be attempting to make a Elvis Presley sandwich. Now reportedly this was Elvis's favourite sandwich. Now the simple version is he just liked peanut butter and bananas. So I'm going to start with that. In actual fact, I'm going to make my own peanut butter. And a lot of the times, reportedly, he also liked to add bacon. So of course, in my home, anytime there's an opportunity to add bacon, I'm going to be adding some as well. So let's get on with it. I'm going to start with the peanut butter. Alrighty, so I'm going to attempt to make my peanut butter in my little mini processor here. We'll see how we go. I've I've burnt the motor in a couple of these handheld stick things a few times, so if it looks like it's getting hot in my hand, I might have to change tactics, but we'll see how we go. So I've got here a cup of and these are just roasted, peeled, salted peanuts, just like you'd buy in any old supermarket. I'm just going to add a little bit more salt because I didn't look particularly salty. Just a little bit. Now to mine, I don't know if this is true to Elvis's taste. I've got no idea. But just to my taste, I'm just going to add a little bit of cayenne pepper. Did I say a little bit? Yeah. Whoops. Accidentally on purpose. Alright, let's get this. Alrighty, so I've just got a bit of a few slices of my bacon going here. I'm just going to get them nice and cooked, just on a medium heat. Now today for my bananas, I'm going to be using these little ladyfinger bananas. It's up to you what sort you use. I just really like the flavour of these smaller ones. So, you know, I don't have to show you how to peel a banana. And they're just slightly firm at the moment because I'm going to be sauteing them in that same pan where I've just cooked the bacon. And even though I don't need it, such a sharp knife, I've got my Vostede Morgan series knife here as per usual, helping out. So what I'm going to do is cut it in half, and that's enough because it's a small banana. Maybe if you've got a longer banana, cut it into thirds and just simply split down the middle. I've got some nice honey here, so I'm going to add a little sweet element and help caramelize these bananas a bit with a bit of honey. Now when you make that, you saw me making that peanut butter before, and all I added was salt and a little bit of chili Normally when you make peanut butter you can add a bit of sugar as well, but because I knew I was doing this, I've decided to leave my peanut butter unsweetened. So just a little drizzle will do us. Like I say, I've got my fry pan, I haven't cleaned that out. It's got a bit of that bacon fat in there. We'll just rub it over. Just get a bit of honey on all of it. And it's into our fry pan. And not for very long, just till they start caramelizing a bit. Alrighty, now as soon as those bananas are caramelized, I'm ready to go. While my bananas were cooking, I did actually toast a bit of a bun here. Goes without saying. Don't have to show you how to toast a bun. So let's assemble this baby. So I've got my peanut butter here. And it's still quite sort of solid, not too runny. You can actually make it runnier. If you just kept whizzing and whizzing and whizzing, it would get runnier and runnier. Or some people add a little bit of oil, but this will spread nicely, I reckon. I'll just get a couple. And in the spirit of Elvis, we are going to be quite generous with that. Like so. Next I'm getting my bacon, and again we don't want to be shy with any of our ingredients. I think we'll go 3 slices. What do you reckon? So now some of our banana here. Now, I call this caramelized. Some of you might want to call it burnt, but it's definitely caramelized. You know, we'd have to disagree on that. But if you want to call that burnt, we can't go on together with suspicious minds, and we can build our dreams. Alright, it's enough singing. Maybe if I turn up that way, looks a little bit less. I like the look of it. Alright, that's looking mighty fine to me. Let's just get our lid on it. And that is my version of an Elvis Presley sandwich. Alrighty, let's give this baby a taste. See if you can see her up close first. Pretty simple, peanut butter, bacon, banana, as advertised. And that is, my friends, a top-notch sandwich that I would pay money for anytime. Now, with the caveat, there was a little hint of that chili in it. I did, as you saw, spilt a little bit extra in it. It's by no means spicy, but you can just taste it there on the back note. As I say, I'm not sure if that's how Elvis would have had it, but yum, I love it like that. So, and after all, I'm the one eating it. Alright, thanks for watching. Thanks to everyone who has subscribed to the channel. Really appreciate it, as always. If you haven't subscribed yet, can I ask you to join, subscribe to the channel. Doesn't cost you anything. There's no obligation, just helps me out no end. Yeah, it'd be great if you could. Alrighty, I will see you all next time.